What's up, Pectus Warriors? It's Byrne from FixPectus.com. I've just finished shooting some tutorial videos for some new exercises on my app where I'm programming for clients. And I thought I'd make a quick video just to give you guys an update on me and my physique and how my training's going. Obviously, I used to film vlogs and showed my bodybuilding prep, and I've kind of gone MIA on that. I just thought it was a little bit egotistical and I don't know, just wasn't for me. I'd rather just provide educational content, but I know a lot of you guys draw motivation from seeing my training and where I'm at, so I'm going to start sharing more training videos too. But I thought for now I'd just update you guys with a little physique and kind of where I'm at with my physique. So I've been trying to gain weight, eating a lot of calories, training a lot. I'm eating like 4,500-5,000 calories a day. Been doing a lot of core work, so my core's definitely gotten thicker, but I think that just helps, and it helps your abs pop when you're at a higher body fat percentage. So I think it's really great for pectus, and developing those abs and those obliques really helps with the rib flare. And then pecs are looking quite good, obliques and serratus. So yeah, and I've been eating a lot of food, and it's great to have this foundational muscle now. Feeling super confident in my body, super happy with where everything's at in terms of my physique and my energy and my training. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a little update on that. And yeah, I just wanted to just say thanks, and thanks for watching the videos. If you've got any video suggestions for upcoming videos, then comment them below and I'll make videos on those topics. And if you're interested in coaching, I've got a few client spots available. I'd love to take you on. My clients that are working with me are getting such amazing results, and it's so fulfilling for me. So, I'd love to extend that invite out to you. If you've been thinking about it for a while, you're not getting the results, then maybe it's time to act and sign up to the coaching. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace, bye.